Kelly, and we've got a box of books. Now, I don't know if you all know this, but the library orders books from a couple of different distributors called Ingram and Baker and Taylor, sometimes from Amazon, and we get a box like this, and it's our job to unbox it and sort out what we have. So we have some children's titles in this box, and Miss Robin says we also have a grown-up title. Ooh, this one looked so good. Lots of books about social emotional topics and learning. Oh yes, Happy Together. Doesn't that one look fun? I love the bright colors. Oh yeah, this one, since it's almost Earth Day, our plastic problem. Good to talk about the problems in our world. Oh yes, and rocks. Who doesn't love a book about rocks? I love rocks. Those are so much fun. I'm gonna have to set those down because there's a lot in this box. Pony and the Starling, some new board books. Oh, John Klassen. I love John Klassen. He's so funny. So these are going to be awesome. So when we get our books from these book distributors, they come in without any stickers, without any stamps. Everything is just like you'd buy it at the store. And what we do then is we sort these for what department they go in, whether they're children's books, teens, or adults. Doesn't that one look good? I like that one too. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. We sort them all out and we give them to the people who are going to process them, which means putting all those stamps and stickers on them. And then after they've got all their stamps and stickers, then we have to put them in the computer. The computer gets told where this book belongs, what section it's in, what the number is. That one looks good. Okay, I have to read that one. Sometimes we librarians take a minute and read part of these. Oh, I think that one's a teenager's book. That looks serious. Okay. Oh, I know somebody who's gonna want this. My friend Isaac's gonna want this book, like today. Too bad, Isaac, it's not ready yet. We're getting there. So what we'll do is we'll tell the computer where the books go, what number belongs to them, and then once they have all the information in the computer, we double check and make sure everything's just right. Dragonology. And then what we can do is you'll see it on your side on the computer. There's our Michigan Notable book for the children's area. Very exciting. You'll see it on that strip of books that goes across the top. And once it's there, then it's ready to check out. And you can put a hold on it. We had to get a new copy of that book. You can get and then if you've got a hold on it, you'll get a phone call or a text, and you can come in and pick it up. Operation Cover Up. That one's, oh, is that a graphic? That is a graphic literature. Very cool. Ooh, Wings of Fire. This is the new one that everybody's waiting for. I'm so excited. Oh no, this is a replacement. It's number 2. I'm wrong. That's okay. Chicken Pox, that looks fun. Yeah, some great new stories. There's the end of our box. We've got our packing slip in there. Sorting label. Lots of paper to recycle, and all these new books to work on. So Miss Jenny and I and Miss Robin and Miss Ducky are going to get working on these, and we'll have them ready for you pretty soon. Thanks.